Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can recruit anyone from your game in your GTA San Andreas. So as we know that if you are in your home turf, you can only recruit your gang members. So if you want to recruit someone else, so just like this, I aimed at this person but it isn't letting me recruit just like this. So it tells me that I can recruit him, but I can't recruit this guy or any other guy. So to recruit anyone in your game, all you have to do is simply activate a cheat code. So the cheat code we're going to activate right now will be displayed on the screen. You just need to type it with me. So the cheat code is SJMAHPE, and of that it tells you that the cheat code is activated. And now if I aim at this person again, so as you guys can see right there, it tells me that I can recruit it. So if I press on the up arrow, I have now recruited her, and I can tell her to either hold the position or follow me. If I tell follow me, now if I go anywhere, now she follows me as well. If I shoot at anyone, now she will shoot at it as well if that person is shooting back at me. So that's how you guys can recruit anyone in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to cover, then please comment it down below and we will cover it for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.